Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to hard reset any Samsung mobile phone. It's very easy, just you have to know the right way how to reset your mobile phone. Here you can see I am getting this problem because I forgot my pattern lock. So let's fix this problem. To get the recovery mode, we have to press the volume down button and power button together for 10 seconds. Then immediately release the volume down button and press the volume up button until you got the Samsung logo on the screen. After getting the recovery mode, we have to use volume up and down button for scrolling. Now scroll down and select wipe data or factory reset, then click the power button for confirm. Then again scroll down and select factory data reset and then press the power button. While doing this process, make sure we have connected our charger with our mobile phone. We have to wait a minute, then click reboot system now. Just press the power button, then the system will reboot. Welcome, we just reset our phone and now click on the start button, then select everything from here, then click agree and now we have to connect our Wi-Fi. So I'm connecting my Wi-Fi, putting my password here and then connect with my Wi-Fi and then click next. After clicking the next button, we have to wait a minute. Getting your phone ready. But this was an error. Just click try again. I already forgot my pattern, that's why I will use my Google account instead. Now we have to sign into our Google account, which Google account we have used before in our mobile phone. So I just put my Gmail account and password, then click the next button. After signing to our Google account, we can now set up our mobile phone again from scratch, and we can set up a new pattern, pin or password lock, and you guys just follow the on-screen instruction, and I think you also can solve your problem. And if you can't solve your problem, please comments below and I will reply to your comments as soon as possible.